Hey guys, we're back again with another quick shocks tutorial. This video is about how to do an audit for your off Amazon placement spend. In case you don't know, Amazon recently enrolled all the sponsored product campaigns to an off Amazon placement, which led to a lot of wasted ad spend at a very high ad cost and CVR, which you can manually turn it off, but they didn't actually went on to manually inform all the sellers that they have done it. So that's why most of the sellers are actually unaware of the kind of spend that is ongoing, and obviously there are not enough metrics to do the optimization for the off Amazon placement as of now, but there's a way that you can manually turn them off. So but it's important to do an audit what these campaigns are doing for you based on their placement level, and this is a video in which you can basically went on to do audit for each of these placements and then take a decision accordingly. Based on my personal experience across multiple brands, about 70% of the brands that were automatically enrolled are facing a wasted spend through off Amazon placement. So I went on to basically personally close all of them, but there were some campaigns that were doing really good. So it's important to do an audit before you go ahead and turn them off, so you get to know what these things are making to your account accordingly. So let's just dig into the video without further. Right, so all you need to do in your reporting section, head over to a sponsor ads reports and just go ahead and click create report. In the report category, select sponsored products and just the type would be the placement, and let's just go ahead and click daily for the time unit, and then you can go ahead and create report. So I've already downloaded the report. It's going to come up like this way. We're going to be using pivot tables to do a quick audit, so it's going to be a pretty straightforward method actually. Right, so we're going to be placing placements in the rows, and under those placements we can also include campaigns. So this way you will be able to see placements and then the campaigns under those placements that are contributing to a spend. Now in the values you can include all the important values, such as the impressions, the clicks, the spend, 7 days sales, and 7 days orders. Now some of the entries you would personally need to go ahead and do a calculated field, which would be the CPC. So you can just include those formula up here. So from your field item section you can just insert calculated field and just manually add the formula. So we know the formula for the CPC, spend over clicks. The next we need is the CVR, which will be orders over clicks, and most importantly is the ad cost, so your ad spend over your sales. Yeah, so you're gonna get these section up here. We have already went on to have these up here as well. So ad cost is obviously will be in percentage. Let's just close these expansions across the campaigns. CPC will be in USD, and then obviously all these are in USD as well, so you can just so and then CVR is also in percentage, so let's just go ahead and change that. Yeah, so for this specific campaign I didn't actually went on to close the off Amazon spend, because as can be seen here, the overall CPC on the off Amazon spend is actually lower than that I have actually on all the other placement levels, but and that's why it's still running on. But obviously based on what you will be observing, and obviously there are not a lot of other metrics that you can take in terms of the search terms and all the other metrics that we usually do across all the other placement levels. But for this specific one, the only way that you can do is just do a quick audit on overall spend level and then make a quick decision. Now once you have these metrics in hand, you will have the campaign level data in hand as well. You can went on to manually close these off Amazon spend, and for that what you need to do is you just need to go over and head over to any of your campaigns. So for example, if you find that one of your campaign is relatively contributing in a very worse way compared to other campaigns, you can just manually go to that specific campaign, and you will just need to go to your campaign settings, and you will see a section that you can turn them off specifically. So we went on to this campaign, we'll go ahead and click campaign settings, scroll down all the way down, and you would see optimize off Amazon ads too. So right now it's ads increase reach. We'll just need to click limit and then hit save, and it's gonna go ahead and pause these off Amazon placement. So yeah, that's a bit of a quick video of give you an idea about how to do an off Amazon placement audit. You can only audit it as per the spend and then the broad metrics that you can take in consideration. But this will be a quick way that you can do an audit. And so personally for me, about 70% of the brands I'm actually working with, off Amazon placement is not working very well, but there are cases, as you can see on this specific brand as well, it's relatively better. We cannot control the spend that we want to give it as of now, but if it is giving you good metrics, you can keep it running. But if you want to close it off based on the metrics, you can just close it from here. So this was a quick video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.